Why?
Say hi, Mama.
Ang maganda, di ba?
Say hi.
Mami. Tara.
Sige.
Tara. Mama. Mama. Papa. Mama. Dito lang, baby lang. Oh, si Louie.
Say hi. Mama, say hi.
Nana?
Say hi. Say hi.
Ayaw.
Tapos, nawala.
Sino yun?
Apa rin. Hello.
Kuya. Akala ko si Kuya. Kaya nga sabi ko, ba't
nagtatawagan pa sila?
Oo nga. Tsaka bakit nagkwento si Kuya? Magkakasama naman tayo.
What?
Hello. Hello. Apa rin?
Where are we eating?
I don't know. I cannot see you boys, okay?
Are we going to the... which car are we using?
Your car. Your car, Tito Lau's car, and Tito Louie. Where do you want to, to ride?
Where's Freddy going?
Kawit na lang tayo.
Hi.
Okay. We're not using car pala.
What?
We're gonna
Walking.
Walking. Sorry, guys.
My feet can't handle it.
Slowly, Rama. There's...
My feet cramps. My feet hurt so much. I'm sakit. I need to sit down now. I need to sit down now. My feet hurt.
Are you old na ba? To feel that? We're still young.
I can still feel pain. When I went to Disneyland, I cried because of the pain in my feet.
Why?
Because
you're
of-
tired of walking.
Yeah.
Oh. Because Japan is walking. A long walk.
I never asked.
What are you doing? Taking photo?
Nah, I'm recording for some reason.
Oh, kuya.
Dito sa loob.
Careful. Then, there's a dog.
Yo, it's a dog. Yo. Look, it's the same boy. Remember when we saw a boy? It's the same boy. I saw the same person. Remember when we're going? The boy is the one who got the cookie. Yeah.
Oh, Ben. Careful, Ben.
Oh, what's that?
Come on.
Oh, what's that? Interesting.
Wala tao sa labas. Ram, we want to take a photo here. I'll take a photo of you.
Is this what? Where are we eating?
But you read. You read the restaurant. You read the restaurant.
Fig and Berry Bakery Cafe. Fig and Berry Bakery Cafe.
Jump up. Wala mo.
Yo.
Tanong ko.
Dito ba?
Hindi, cafe yan eh. Ito may konting food. Kumain na ba kayo?
Yo, it's Mr. B. Ram, what? Remember costume day? Yeah. I'm gonna have a beard. Okay. Oh, I just do that later. Is this where we're eating?
Maybe. There's space.
Those
Wala.
are what we call America!
Careful, anak. Careful naman.
Yo, what the?
Come, let's take picture. Come, let's take picture. Ay, no. Wait first. Let's take picture. Oh, there's lights. Ay, there's lights. Ay, there's lights. Wait. No.
Hotel na lang.
Let's just go back to the hotel and eat there.
Ito na.
Let's go to the hotel. Can we go back to the hotel? I heard they always have buffets.
What?
The hotels always have buffet food, and I want to eat in a buffet. So let's go to the hotel.
There's no buffet tonight.
At least they have food. Let's just go now. Let's just go there.
Tabi ka around. Yung kanina sa Korean Town, dami doon, di ba?
Saka siya tayo. Medyo maluwag na kasi tayo.
Oo, tara.
Where are we going? Where are we going to eat?
Somewhere.
Are we going to eat in the hotel?
No.
Why not in the hotel?
I don't know. I don't think they serve dinner.
What should they do?
Baka malaglag yan, hold it properly. Don't have a case. Pag nalaglag yan, basag yan.
That's fine.
Traffic pa kaya. There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Then we should eat in the hotel.
You want us to leave you in the hotel?
No, I said I want to eat there in the hotel. And if you do, I have mashed potatoes. Remember?
Ah, yeah.
So either way, I'm going to eat.
You want to eat in the hotel? You tell Papa na lang.
Wait lang. Papa, do they serve buffet food in the hotel? Do we serve? Do they? Papa, do they serve buffet food? Do they serve buffet food? Papa, do they serve buffet food in the hotel?
Yes.
Alright, so can we eat there in the morning?
So sir, may kama na, wala pa.
Anong how?
Now, boss, be careful kasi anak, wait for us. You need to be patient, Ben. Don't get daddy. Don't be angry at daddy.
Even if you're closing to child, you also will know how to drive properly, Benjamin.
True.
Kasi kahit because mas wait na yun.
Drunk driving, Ben.
Ano ka ba?
Yeah, Ben.
Tapos wala pang ano doon. Milano talaga niya.
You're angry at me. What is you, nakasagasaan ka dyan? Tarantado.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
You play some stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a new one, a smaller one.